Imagine yourself walking to your vault filled with your life savings only to find out that you forgot your key. In cryptocurrency, guys, your key is your cryptocurrency wallets, and finding the right one can make or break your financial future. And in this video, we will be talking about what makes the best crypto wallet. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so crypto wallets are more than mere storage solutions, guys. They are essential gateways to securing digital assets in the cryptocurrency world, conducting transactions, and accessing that ever-expanding world of decentralized finance. So as the cryptocurrency system evolves, the importance of selecting the right wallet cannot be overstated. Now, a reliable cryptocurrency wallet not only safeguards investment, but also empowers users to engage with blockchain technology seamlessly. And for me, guys, I use both. I use a hot wallet and I also use a cold storage wallet. And here are the difference. So guys, crypto wallets fall into two primary categories. You have the hot and the cold. Now, hot wallets such as the mobile and desktop applications offer unparalleled convenience for daily transactions and quick access to your funds. Now, hot wallets are connected to the internet, guys, making them highly accessible but relatively more vulnerable to cyber threats. Now, cold wallets, on the other hand, provides unmatched security by storing private keys offline. And guys, cold wallets, if you are a trader and you are holding a lot of assets, even small ones, I mean, if you can afford to purchase cold wallets, I highly recommend that. These hardware devices or paper wallets are perfect for long-term holders, okay? Now, while slightly less convenient, guys, cold storage wallets are indispensable for substantial holdings, all right? And I have, let me show you this, okay? I am using a Trezor wallet, all right? So this is the one that I'm using. Now, if assets are coming in to my wallet, I don't need to approve anything. But if I am going to be transferring or withdrawing funds from my wallet going to another one, it's not just as easy as clicking from your computer. Once you are doing that transaction, you need to approve it from your cold storage wallet, making it more secure. So like, say for example, a hacker hacks into my computer and tries to send assets. They were able to hack into my MetaMask wallet, right? If they are able to hack into my MetaMask wallet, they would be able to see my assets, yes, but they are not going to be able to send out those assets to whichever wallet they would like to send it to without approving it from my Trezor wallet. So that is kind of how it looks like. Now guys, Ledger is one of the well-known cold storage wallets, and this I would strongly recommend, guys, that you go ahead and check out because they are proven to be super duper effective, especially if you are that type of person, you know, that continuously trades and holds a lot of cryptocurrency tokens in your wallet. So this is something that you would need to go ahead and check out, guys. Now, leading wallets for 2024 includes the Ledger Nano X, which celebrated for its robust cold storage and Bluetooth connectivity. All right, so let me show you that Ledger Nano X that I am talking about. So you can go ahead and check them out here, guys. It's really small, and what I really like about this is it's super compact. You know, you don't really need a big hardware wallet because it's hassle, right? Now, this one is like the size of like a flash drive or something like that, wherein you could really securely put it in your pocket or your shoulder bag or whatnot. So it's not going to take up so much space, and the functionality that they have is super duper great. So guys, they also have Bluetooth connectivity. So MetaMask is a versatile browser extension with multi-chain support, and Trust Wallet known for its comprehensive mobile app as well as staking option. Now, each offers unique strengths catering to diverse user needs, making them standout choices in the ever-growing cryptocurrency market. So So selecting the right wallet ensures not just the safety of your assets, but also the freedom to explore the dynamic world of innovation. So you can go ahead and head on to their websites. All right, this is the ledger, guys. This is MetaMask. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you also do your own research. They have a lot of products for ledger here. So you could head on to their websites and check out their products and see for yourself, what suits your budget. So you could also go ahead and do your research, guys, on who MetaMask is if you're new to cryptocurrency. And this is something that a lot of cryptocurrency traders or users often use. So go ahead and check them out. And of course, guys, it will be in the description of the video. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. See you on the next. I'm out. Peace.